What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. Then we will look at prices of the assets that we are trading, which are Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. We'll look at them in a little bit of details to see what's really happening over there. And lastly, we will check on our position. Basically, I will show you my positions and then you can compare to see whether we're going up, down, left, right, and to make the necessary moves. But before we do that, guys, this is why 99% of the people lose in this crypto trading. This is why. Excuse me. Price dumps, okay? That is normal. Like I said, in a bull run, price does not go up in a straight line. It doesn't happen. We have ups and then we have corrections, or sometimes we can have black swan event, just like the one that just happened, in which Iran and and Israel, they decided to take a big fat wrench and throw at everybody else's engine and be like, yeah, you can go S or D. So you want to know, you know what I mean. That's what happened. And normally when things like that happen, we usually have Bitcoin price, okay, because everything is tied. For some reason, I don't know why people don't know the difference, but they see Bitcoin moving, they start to panic. Everything is tied to Bitcoin. So when they did that, Bitcoin price dropped, and you all know the rest of the story. Everything else started to drop. Okay, normally, again, I usually tell you guys, you got to pay attention to things like that. For example, in the last August, I told you guys, last August was the last time that Bitcoin was going to go below that 48 or whatever price it went, because that was the bottom of that before the beginning of the the running up. And if you pay attention, whenever Bitcoin dumps, it usually dump let's say $6,000-7,000 or even $5,000, thereabout, in that range. When we started this recent dump, Bitcoin was for 67,000, I think. And I told you guys day before yesterday, like, hey, even looking at the charts, it shows that the price was going to go down. This was even before the dump happened, because I thought it was going to be a normal correction instead of a rapid one. That's what I thought. So as you can see, the price went down. Right now we are stabilizing at 61.5 or something like that. I was expecting that. So yeah, I was expecting this to happen. But why a lot of people lose is because I see guys who are closing their trades because they are looking at their position being at minus 20%. Guys were closing their trades, and I look at their liquidation points. It's like, man, come on, don't do that. I go, no, man, don't do it. Okay, look, for example, Casper. Okay, Casper is going down, yes, but I think, okay, if you look at the chart, we're about to look at them in a minute. Casper is going to hold at that 14 cents. That's where it's going to hold. If probably will bounce way before that, but if price keep going down, it's going to hold at 14 cents. Look at Jasmine, guys. 1.9 is going to hold. 1.9 is still into that falling wedge. It's going to hold. So again, look at Quant, guys. Quant has that history of always dipping down and then pick back right back up. That bull flag we are in Quant, if it dips, probably is going to dig down to 65 and pick right back up into that bull flag. That's what I'm looking at right now. So if you think like, oh, okay, it is done for, there is no need to, there is no need to continue in the trade, I may as well just take it at a loss, you're going to lose it all. You're going to lose it all. You should not be panicking you should not be trading with your emotions. If the market is so hard for you, like you can't handle it, buy your coins on the spot. Buy on your spot. Yes, you're still going to make money. Okay, but you gotta remember something. Higher risk, higher gains, higher rewards. That's what it's all about. Because like trading on leverage is very risky, and I've always said it. Do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so you look at me right now. I'm just smiling. I got no problem with looking at my position going down 70%, negative 70% or 80%. I don't care, because I'm looking at the bigger picture. I'm looking at where this thing is going to go right after this. And another thing you got to understand, in the Bitcoin history, or not just Bitcoin, in the crypto history, if you look, every time we start October, okay, bearish, the end of the October usually be like explosive. That is when the bull market usually kick in the fourth gear. Every time, go look at it. That's another thing that makes me so bullish right now, that I can't wait, man. I can't wait to see how this thing ends. Every time. So, and yet you got people panicking, like, come on, guys. Come on. You already know this was going to happen. It's a bull run. The same thing like when we go to the bear market, price start to drop, it will not go up. It will keep on dropping. It will go up a little bit and then drop even more. Go up a little bit, drop even more. It's the opposite in the bull run. Price starts to take off bullishly, it will drop a little bit, then take off again, drop a little bit. That is normal. If you start panicking, I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't know what to tell you. Do not panic. Just be calm. That's why whenever you are trading, do not use money you are not ready to lose. That's number one. Don't do that. And number two, always have some money on the side. Like, okay, if it's getting there, let's say the price is going down, gives you an opportunity to scale up your trades, or probably pick up a brand new trade in another exchange. That's another thing you need to start learning how to do. So yeah, at the end, these dips you are seeing are going to be like a lot of people that took advantage of them. Okay, like 2 days ago when I was telling you guys, okay, I think Bitcoin, come on. Like 2 days ago, I was talking about it, and I was saying Bitcoin looks like it's going to visit that $60,000, $61,000 again. Okay, you put it at the back of your mind, and then you have extra money. Once it goes to that $60,000 or $61,000, you open another long position, and then wait. That's how it works. Me right now, I'm looking at the market. Yeah, people see the red, guys. I am looking at the end of November. That's what I'm looking at right now. I told you guys 3 months, and we have a month and a half to go. So yeah, you guys about to see this little pain that you're looking at right now is nothing compared to the amount of money you're about to make. It's like back in August when I told guys like, hey, August, this is the last dip. If you had entered a trade, and even right now Bitcoin going to $61,000, you still would be in a good position. Understand? So yeah, don't trade with your emotion in your hand. If you do that, you're not going to make any money. Seriously, you're not. So guys, learn again. Like I said it last time, learn how to control your emotions, because you don't want to be part of these 99.9% of people that will not make any money out of it. Because if you start balancing your lost trades and your winning trades, you end up break even. Which you didn't do anything. That's another reason why I don't do day tradings. I don't do that, because when you do day trades, some you will win, some you will lose, and then when you balance out, you might even end up at break even, like nothing happened. I only do long-term trades and seasonal trades. Long-term trades that I also call seasonal seasonal trades, which I enter before the bull run and exit at the top of the bull run or close to the top of the bull run. The other trades I use, I usually close and take profit unless if I need, unless if I need money for something, then I take some profit from that trade. I don't close it entirely, or unless I need the entire position. So yeah, again, please guys, do not be part of the 99.9% of the people that loses in this trade, on this run. We are in a bull run. Do not be afraid of the blood. It's okay, guys. I said it yesterday. It's a bear trap. Bear traps always happen a lot in a bull market, and this is not the last one. You're going to see another one. You will see it as we progress, as we go up in price. So yeah, it's a bear trap. Don't panic. Chill, relax. Just like I'm doing. I'm chilling, I'm relaxing, drinking some coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Relax, guys. It's just part of the process, okay? Now, let's go look at the market to see how we've been performing for the past 24 hours. Although I do have a feeling that we probably stabilizing. We've been stabilizing since yesterday. So let's go look at this right quick. Crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles right here. Wow, see that? Crypto bubbles, everything is in red. But look at what caught my attention is look at XRP. I told you guys, okay, there are some of you who DM me and I told you stay away from XRP. Unless you bought XRP at 19-20 cents, stay away from it. Do not leverage trade it until this SEC stuff that they are going with, until it's over with. Okay, some people were telling me, no, we won, there's no problem yet. And I said, you gotta wait, because the SEC still has not appealed yet. Once they appeal, those guys are not going to let you go for that for free. You haven't won yet, and exactly that's what happened. They are just announced their appeal. That's why you see everything is red, but XRP is like shining among the red. Look at XRP. Look at XRP shining among the reds. Anyway, now let's go look at the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey. First is going to be King Casper, KAS. There you go. Casper, the past hour, just like yesterday, not even 1%. We have 0.73%. Okay, we've been just chugging around up and down there. We are down 0.73% down the hour, 4.3% down on the day, 11.4% down on the week, 9.9% down on the month, and 188% up on the year. Looking at Quant, the coin that everybody loves to hate. Look at Quant. On the past hour, we are down 1.1%, 3.5% down on the day, 14.4% down on the week, 8.7% up on the month. And look at the number again, the yearly, 22.9% down on the year. That number has remained like that since yesterday, because it was, I think, that 22% thereabout. Looking at Jasmine, JAS, we go here. We are down 0.99% down the hour, 3.3% down on the day, 14% down on the week, 6.6% up on the month, and 485% up on the year. So again, look at those numbers. They are not much different than yesterday. Like I said, we dumped. Okay, we dumped, the price dumped all the way down, hit the support, and that's where we are right now. If you lose the support that we are right now, that's when things might look a little bit worse than the same. But I don't think so, because like you can see, Bitcoin is looking pretty stable right now. The inflows on the ETFs, price movement, and all that stuff is looking stable, and it looks like it's about to start taking off. So again, we're probably going to go sideways until we hit Friday or Saturday. We are Wednesday today, so a day or two more of sideways action before it takes off. You're about to see that. So yeah, let's go look at price in a little bit more details. Maybe that will explain everything that's going on. So let's go here, trading view right here. This is Bitcoin. Wow. Oh well, I never cover Bitcoin, but let's just look at it right quick. See, Bitcoin, like I'm telling you guys, we've been stable since yesterday on Bitcoin. Look at that, the drop. It dropped all the way down, okay, to 60,000, right about 60,000. See, drop all the way down again, 60,000. So yeah, Bitcoin is looking pretty stable. Now I think from here this will start to go up. We'll probably do this sideways movement for a day or two and then take off from there. But anyways, we are not here for this. We're here for Casper, which is the king of them all. So Casper, okay, open that up. See, I told you guys, we have this channel that we've been in. Okay, let me go. I think for you to see it better, I'm gonna go on the 4-hourly or on the daily. Yeah, on the daily will be better. Okay, we have this channel we've been in for the longest, which ranges from 14 cents to 17.2 cents. That's where we've been ranging. If you've been part of this my channel for a while, you will know that I've talked about this a lot. See, 17.2, they rejected, go back to 14 cents. The same thing happened here. We were all 17.2, 14 cents, 17.2, 14 cents. So yeah, this might actually be a good thing for Casper to form a double bottom and then take off from there. So yeah, I tell you guys, you don't need to panic. If you want to see this, look at it on the hourly. Look at it on the hourly. Look, this one came there perfectly, touching 14 cents. Came up, got rejected by the ribbon. Okay, right now we are trying to stabilize. Again, it's not a bad thing. Yesterday I told you guys it might even come back down, touch the 14 cents and take off from there. You do not need to panic. Okay, if you're concerned about this, like looking at the 200 moving average still pointing downwards, the ribbon still pointing downwards, I told you guys, I'm expecting this to reverse in a day or two from now. You're about to see it happening. So go on the 4-hourly. See that? On the 4-hourly here, touch. Look at how fast it's got bought right back up. Again, we're still coming down. We're probably going to touch it again and then take off from there. So yeah, for me, it's just a waiting game. That's what I'm doing. Just waiting to see how this thing is going to take off the all-time high, because that's what I'm interested into. So yeah, if you zoom out on the weekly, oh come on, let's zoom out on the weekly right there. We still in an uptrend, guys. We still in an uptrend. We still on the weekly. Look at that. We are still riding the ribbon. That's what I'm telling you guys. This is not going down as a lot of people tell you. We are still riding the ribbon. Look at that, right above the ribbon. That's what we still. You don't have to worry about nothing. Okay, so look, price came down into the ribbon. Look at how fast it got bought again. It's getting supported by the middle channel, the middle of the channel that we are trading in, which again, you look at it, 14 cents, 17.2, 14, 17.2. So yeah, for me, it's a waiting game. It's time to wait and see. Like I told you guys, this thing it will make a lot of people a lot of money. But if you panic sell, I don't know what to tell you. Now let's go look at quant, QNT, USDT, and I like to take the Binance. Again, same thing. On quant, I'm gonna start on the weekly. Okay, what I usually tell you guys, you gotta pay attention to the main purpose of this move. Okay, look at the main purpose of this move is up here, $125. But anyways, if you look at it the other way, look at the channel of the bull flag. See, bull flag channel. We are still inside the bull flag channel. So which means by the time we break above it at 76 confirmed, the target is way up there. I told you guys, $104. So there is no need for you to panic. This is normal. Things like this happen in the bull run. Okay, so look at it on the weekly. On the 4-hourly. See, on the 4-hourly, yeah, we are below the moving average. The ribbon's still moving down, but yet I'm telling you guys, all you got to do, give it some time, wait a day or two, and you're about to see this thing starts to reverse. Okay, so there's not much to be said here. Again, guys, time to take whatever your favorite drink is, scale up your positions, and sit back, relax. Okay, there's no point of you panicking, because if you panic, first of all, you are going to sell at a loss, and then it usually happens by the time you close your position at a loss. That is when the price usually reverses and starts to go up. And a lot of you will be like, God damn it, why did I do this? Okay, so relax, guys. Everything is moving according to plan. So now if you go to let's go Jasmine right quick. Again, Jasmine, I told you guys, I need to see Jasmine break the 2.3 cents. That's what I need to see. Until then, yeah, whatever it is doing right now, I am okay with it. As you can see, we were testing it, and I get the rejection. Got rejected, the 2.3 cents right here. The same situation with Quant. Look at that. We are trading below the moving average and below the ribbon. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, Jasmine, right now. On the flip side, if you look at it on the daily, we are still very, very bullish, because the breakout of this falling wedge is still looking bullish. Yeah, we got rejected by the 2.3 cents, yes, but yet this, I'm expecting this to reverse and start to go back up, because yeah, this right here, whenever a wedge breaks out, okay, the target of that wedge usually be the top of the wedge, which is around 4.5 cents. That's where Jasmine is going. So those of you panicking, unless you see Jasmine breaking below 1.5 cents, there is no problem with the price action that you're looking at right now. I've said it and I will say it again, guys. 1.5 cent is the ultimate no for Jasmine. But until then, guys, the price still looks bullish, still, because the moving now, what you call it, the falling wedge, we broke above it. Yeah, we got rejected by the black swan, so whatever things that happen, but you're about to see this starts to go. So there's no need for you to panic. Okay, don't do that, guys, or else you will lose. So if you look at it on the weekly, again, you can see how bullish this is. Even on the weekly, look, it is a bull flag. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It is a bull flag. You have not broken below the support of the bull flag, if that's the way you want to look at it. Look, bull flag, this is the support. You have not broken the support of the bull flag. You are still right above it. So there's no point of guys telling you, oh yeah, the whole thing is really damned and the whole thing is going, you know, to below the earth and everything else, everything bad they can think of. It's not happening. So let's go here. It's an opportunity, like I always say. It's very, very big opportunity. Now, again, if you do not know how to leverage trade, do not do this. Don't leverage trade. Okay, unless you want to lose all your money, don't do it. As you can see, I'm about to show you my positions. I'm at 50x leverage. A lot of people will call that suicide, but yet I'm not panicking, because I know what I'm doing. I know for sure that a lot of money, by the time we start taking profits from these positions, a lot of people who are calling me crazy right now will be the ones to be like, God damn, you was right. Again, you want to do the same? Please, not financial advice, but you can either 5, 10, or even 20x your money by leverage trading. Okay, the links are below. If you're confident enough and you know what you're doing, sign up. Once you sign up, you meet their deposit goals or their deposit rules, then you start trading. You can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. Again, I really don't mind that part. What I care about is that you make money. And once you make money, in 10, 12 months from now, we can sit somewhere while you drink your favorite drink, and me, I'm pretty sure I'll be sipping some coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Anyways, let's go look at my position first. Let's look at my Bydfi. You guys already know my Bydfi is where I keep my seasonal trades. Okay, a couple days ago, you guys remember we were up there $14,000 or something like that. The market corrected. Yesterday it was even down to $7,000. As you can see, I've started to go up again. Today I am up 9,000, almost 800. 9,800. If you look at my positions, okay, you will see my position for my quant. I am still up 11, almost 12%, which is $866. Okay, again, guys, the reason why my positions move so fast, either up or down, is because I am a very aggressive trader. As you can see, I trade at 50x. That's what I trade at. So guys, do not do this if you don't know what you're doing. Looking at my Casper, I am down look at that, 45% down. Okay, and again, I do trade at 50x. Now I tell you guys, this is being on the support, because this is, it looks like yesterday I was looking at my Casper, I was down 60 or 65%, and it's recovering again. Now you gotta look at the bigger picture here. I told you guys, my take profit areas, for me, I believe quant will go above 6,500. Therefore, my take profit here is 6,500, which this will make me $1.6 million, as you can see right there, by the time it gets there. Okay, so yeah, it's for me is to sit back and relax. If you look at my Casper, okay, I'm to have my take profit area. I told you guys, Casper will go to $10. To $10, this thing will make me $600,000, and I will be glad to take that. And now, it doesn't mean it will have to go there. That's why we do this market analysis every day. Okay, if I see that the price of Casper, let's say, is at $7 and the bull run is almost over with, I will take my profits right there and I'll close the trade. Okay, and if you look at it at let's say my bearish, like I said, is $4. At $4, this thing will make me $233,000. Okay, then $7, this thing will make me $416,000. Okay, you see that? So yeah, you got to look at things like that. For my quant, I told you guys, for quant to do bad, it's going to be 1,500. At 1,500, this will make me $361,000. Now, for it to do moderate, let's just say it's not bullish, and it does moderate, that will put quant at $3,000. Okay, $3,000. This position will make me $739,000. Now, this for me, this is what I'm looking at. I'm not looking at anything else happening. I'm just making sure that I scale up these positions to maintain them open, and I will take my profit when the time comes. Now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. My Phemex, I only have my seasonal trade over there is Jasmine, because on Bydfi they don't allow a 50x. Okay, so let's go look at that right quick. Phemex right here. Let me sign in. Right there on Phemex, if you guys remember, a couple days ago my position was up $18,000. Today we have recovered, because yesterday I was at probably down $8,000, but we recovered. We are up today 11,300. Okay, looking at the contracts on my Jasmine, I am down 27%, which is not new for me. Back in August, I was down almost 75%. But anyway, we are down 27%, which is down $3,000. For Casper, I am down 31%, which is 1,300. Again, I told you guys, I am very aggressive at trading. I trade at 50x. See that right there? See that right there? So, but you got to look at the prices here. Like I told you guys, I do not panic, because I know this thing is about to make a lot of people money. Just give it a month and a half and you will see. So I'm looking at, for Jasmine, take profit areas. Okay, I put it $3 because when their lockup, I told you guys, if their lockup goes good and the lockup probably 20 or 30% of the whole supply, yeah, this thing can go up to $3. If it does, I will make $2.4 million out of this position. Okay, but I told you guys, the immediate target for Jasmine is 4.5 cents. Okay, if you go 0.04 and a half, this position will make me $37,000. That's the top of the wedge. Now the target for the bull flag is 12 cents. Okay, at 12 cents, or let's just say, because you guys already know golden pocket always attract the price, but at 12 cents, this position will make me $80,000. Golden pocket is sitting at 15 cents. 15 cents this position will make me $104,000. Now, if you look at that, the ultimate resistance for Jasmine is at 20 cents. 20 cents, this position will make me $146,000. For me, without the lockups or anything else, the top of the bull run for Jasmine will be at 60 cents, or let's say 62, thereabout. This position will make me $493,000. Now, when we get there, we'll see what they're doing with the lockup and everything else. If not, I will close my positions at 60 cents, not even 62. At 60 cents, I will close my positions and I will call it a day. Now, looking at Casper, again, guys, everything coming up with Casper, we're about to start looking at a really big move. Okay, first of all, at the all-time high, which is 21 cents, this position will make me 2,600. But like I told you, exchange listings and a lot of things that are going to start happening will push Casper all the way up to probably 50 cents. So 50 cents, this position will make me $20,000. Yeah, I will take profits here and scale up some things and pay some bills, whatever I got to do with this. Or I can't even wait, because like there's a lot of rumors talking about Coinbase and Binance. If Coinbase and Binance list Casper, guys, this thing will go up to $2. You will see it. At $2, this thing will make me $110,000. Yeah, I will take my profits here, scale up, I will do whatever I got to do. So yeah, those are things I'm looking at. I'm looking at how the market is going to react in the upcoming month and a half to see how far this position can go. So there you have it. There's no need to panic, guys, or else you are going to lose more than you even think. For me, it's time to sit back and see how this market reacts. See how things go from here. In the next day or two, you're about to see this position starts to take off again. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please share so that other people like you and I with millionaire minds, we can get value out of this and trade ideas. I'm sorry, I can't speak. And at the same time, let the family grow. And then please comment. I'd like to see your opinions. What do you think about what's going on today? Okay, are you bearish? Are you bullish? I would like to see. I would like to know what you are. I will try to respond to all of them as soon as I get them. Okay, so yeah, guys, that being said, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.